Planning and prepping dinner day after day can be stressful, especially on busy weeknights. That's where our prep and store system comes in. It's the ultimate combination of tools that help you prep, store, and serve more efficiently, so you can save time when you need it. I love this system because I'm usually too busy to prep meals during the week. I prep ahead on the weekend so I can zip through weeknight dinners super fast. The prep board helps you streamline the prepping process by saving space and minimizing mess. The cutting board is durable enough for anything you need to prep. It helps keep your knives from dulling, and it has a well edge to catch juices so your counter stays clean. The two adjustable wire racks let your containers hang over the counter, helping you clear scraps or collect chopped ingredients away from your cutting board. The two 5-cup prep containers have vented lids that regulate airflow, creating a great environment to store produce. Once your food is prepped, you want to organize it in your fridge using the store and serve. Easily grab and use prepped ingredients for weeknight meals, healthy after-school snacks, and serve right from the containers at mealtime and get-togethers. The tray holds 2 cooling inserts and 3 prep containers, and it's about the same size as a 12-pack, so it fits in most refrigerators. And I know it'll be a staple in yours. And these cooling inserts are a game changer. Refrigerated, they'll keep food cool for up to 2 hours. Great for prepping, weeknight meals, and after-school snacks. When you freeze them, they'll keep food cool for 4 to 6 hours. Perfect for get-togethers. Each prep container has a vented lid, divider, and drain tray, helping your produce stay fresh for a long time. The drain tray keeps food out of liquid, and it snaps under the lid when you're not using it. With the dividers, you can store up to 6 foods at a time to prep ingredients for meals throughout the week. And I love that the entire prep and store system is dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a way to streamline meal prep, maximize food storage, and save time on busy nights, this is the system for you. Happy prepping!